Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to sync HubSpot tasks to your calendar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's features and settings. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which represents your settings menu. Click on this gear icon to open up the settings panel. This is where you'll be able to configure various aspects of your HubSpot account, including calendar synchronization options. Once the settings panel opens, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several navigation options listed vertically. Make sure you are on General, which is typically the first option in the menu. This section contains the basic settings for your account and is where you'll find the calendar integration features. Now look towards the top of the settings area and click on Calendar. This will take you to the specific section where you can manage how HubSpot interacts with your external calendars. It's an essential feature for keeping your tasks and meetings organized across different platforms. In this calendar section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Calendar Sync. Make sure to check this box to enable the synchronization feature. This allows HubSpot to communicate with your external calendar application, ensuring that your scheduling stays consistent across all your tools. Just below the Calendar Sync option, you'll notice another section called Task Calendar Sync. This is the specific feature that will allow your HubSpot tasks to appear directly in your calendar application. It's incredibly useful for keeping track of deadlines and to-do items without having to switch between different apps constantly. Click on Connect your calendar to proceed. However, before you can activate this feature, you need to ensure that your HubSpot subscription includes the necessary permissions. Make sure that your seat is Sales Starter or higher, as this feature is only available on those tiers. If you meet this requirement, you should be able to click the button and complete the connection process. And that's it. You've successfully set up HubSpot task syncing with your calendar, making it much easier to manage your schedule and stay on top of your tasks. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.